Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. I recently published my cookbook. If you love Chinese food and you want to support my channel, you can click the link in the description and grab your copy. I am truly grateful for the overwhelming response and the excitement you have shown. It really means the world to me. Today, I want to showcase one of the recipes from this book, which is Guo Bao Rou. When it comes to sweet and sour pork, most of you may be familiar with the Cantonese version called Guo Bao with its rich sauce and thick coating. But hold on, there is a whole other version that I just can't let you miss, which is this Northeast Chinese Guo Bao Rou. Think of crispy, light, and so delicate pork slices coated with a thin, glossy, and savory sauce. If you haven't tried it yet, you're in for a serious, delicious surprise. So please hit the like button and let's get started. I am using pork loin, which has a silver skin, and I like to remove that for better texture. Slice the pork into 1/8 of an inch thick slices. If you enjoy a fatty, rich flavor, you can switch to skinless pork belly instead. Season the pork with half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon of ground white pepper, a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, and 1.5 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine, and mix well. Set it aside for 15 minutes. While waiting, we can combine all the ingredients for the sweet and sour sauce. You will need a quarter cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 2.5 tablespoons of water, 2.5 tablespoons of vinegar. I'm using rice vinegar, but white or apple cider vinegar also works. Last, 3/8 teaspoon of salt. To measure 3/8 teaspoon, you just add a quarter teaspoon first, then eyeball half of a quarter teaspoon, and that is 3/8 teaspoon in total. Mix until no lumps and set it aside. In a separate bowl, combine the cornstarch with the water and stir until it becomes a smooth mixture. Then add the marinated pork. You want to go in with your hand and separate all the slices so the meat can coat nicely. The cornstarch mixture looks quite thin at this point. Don't worry, just let it sit for a little bit. You can add oil to a wok and bring it to 380 degrees Fahrenheit over medium heat. As the oil heats, the pork will start absorbing the cornstarch mixture. You can see that the consistency becomes thicker and creamier. That is what we are looking for. These meat slices are very thin. Please unfold them and add them to the oil one by one. Fry them for a few minutes or until they are lightly golden. It is best to fry the pork in 2 to 3 batches so you don't crowd the wok. Remove the pork from the oil and rest on the side for 10 minutes. The color of the pork shouldn't be golden at this point because we will double fry it. Increase the oil's temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Double fry the pork over high heat for 1 to 2 minutes or until golden brown. Remove the pork from the oil and set it aside. Pour out most of the oil from the wok, but leave 1.5 teaspoons behind. Use the remaining oil to saute the garlic slices and julienned ginger until fragrant. Sometimes we will also add some julienned carrot or bell pepper to introduce some nice colors. However, Northeast Chinese cuisine, 东北菜, is supposed to be simple and rustic, so I skip them often. Pour in the sweet and sour sauce. Stir over medium heat until the sauce thickens, which will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the fried crispy pork and toss thoroughly. Garnish with the julienned scallions and serve as an appetizer. This dish doesn't require complicated ingredients, but it delivers an incredible balance of flavors and textures. The pork is crispy, sweet, and tangy, kind of like crackers with a burst of flavor in every crunch. It is simple to make and you will get lots of compliments when you put it on the table. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe link is in the description. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious Chinese food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!